All right, traders, the market just opened. It's Friday. What are we going to do today? Will the market go higher and higher? I don't know, but I'll tell you right now, we're in a range. As soon as the market breaks out of this range is what we're seeing right now. There's a closing price, that long there on the Trade Scalper, I believe it is. Now I'm going to start paying attention. Why am I going to get stuck here with going long, going short, going long, going short? Let's wait until it breaks out of this range. Show me two signals long, which hopefully we're going to have, and then I can take it long. There's no reason to risk anything more than we have to. This is going to be another awesome day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's been a great week so far. Now all we have to do is just be patient. Let's not give back any of our profits. I'm going to be very careful on a Friday. Be done early. There's no reason to stay here all day. So what I want to wait for is another signal, hopefully to the long side, and then I can go long. Remember, the idea here is confirmation. The at the open, the sonic system, the trade scalper, the blueprint. Okay, I have another long signal. It's a closing price. It's higher than the previous signal. I'm long. This is how we're looking at price action using DayTradeToWin software. I'm going to make sure that I adjust the target and the stop equal to what the ATR, the average true range. If you don't know what that is, it's that yellow line at the bottom. It currently says about 5 points, 5.5 points right there. And I want to make sure that the target is equal or more or less what the market can give me. So if the target and the ATR is telling me 5 points, then I'm going to go for 5 points. If the market's slow, it's going to give me 1 or 2 points, and I'll go for 1 or 2 points. So be very careful. You don't have to take the same target and stop on every trade. Just have a good understanding. Price action is more than just crossovers or dojis. It's more than that. It's understanding the entire visual and adding signals for confirmation. So I'm not looking at shooting stars. I'm not looking at dojis. I'm not looking at hammers. I'm not looking at any of that stuff. I'm not looking at stochastics. I'm not looking at MACDs, crossovers, nothing. What I like to use is closing prices personally. I like to see when there's a closing price, higher closing price, the signals are higher. Every signal is now another signal to the long side. I'm in the right direction here. And if the market goes against me and it fails, the stop is always there to protect me. So be very careful. Start off with the micros. Start off with a simulated. We offer the simulator, so you just visit DayTradeToWin.com, get a free member account, get started with TradingView or NinjaTrader, and we have lots of free training videos, especially for the beginners, to get you started right. All right, the target is hit exactly as it should be. It's not always like this, but exactly as it should be, where long signal after long signal, 4 or 5 long signals here. Now the at the open kicked in. I love it. If you guys are not long this market based on these signals that you're seeing here, you're doing something wrong here. There's no reason to sell whatsoever. You can be careful, but there's no reason to sell. You're selling into a market that is extremely bullish. The signals are sonic, blueprint, trade scalper, at the open. There's another signal here to go long that just appeared. That's another sonic signal. All right, I am going to let this play out. I'm super excited for today, for a Friday, because Fridays are usually one of those days that we jump in early, we make our money nice and early in the morning, and then we're done. And we're not going to overtrade because we can give it back very easily. So take a look at the signals. DayTradeToWin.com are providing these signals as a package, and when you see the stop, that red line, and you see the target that's based on the system telling you where the stop and the target should be, very important. Remember the risk to reward ratio. You don't have to take every trade. You just have to focus on the ones that make sense. Again, I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 signals to the long side. This just hit the target. I'm going to let this play out. I'll let you guys decide for yourselves. If you have any questions, reach out, DayTradeToWin.com. I'll see you on the other side. Visit DayTradeToWin.com and get started with price action trading with our award-winning software for NinjaTrader and TradingView. Get a free member account. We also include the Sonic, Roadmap, Autopilot, Trade Scalper, and Atlas line. with accelerated mentorship, now available in monthly and lifetime access. Visit DayTradeToWin, and I'll see everyone in class.